All right, here's our room tour for the Grand Floridian. This is the bathroom. Nice shower. I love that overhead shower head. Individual products, so you don't have to just use the pump. Hey. Separate room for the toilet and a tub. Who doesn't love a soak? I will open the closet for this room because guess what? There's robes. Only the best at the Grand. A little kitchenette, mini fridge, coffee maker, sink, microwave. I've got your little individually wrapped products, paper products. This is the trundle, Dumbo themed, super cute. Then we've got a bed, couch, coffee table. Super fun. And I love this balcony. Check it out. Joe is going to be so happy. Oh, sorry, I got my finger in there. So happy with this view of the monorail. He's always wanted a monorail view room, so I think we're gonna have to spend some time out here.